We have made it halfway through our review. Here we go, next problem. Matt and Wade are jalapeno eating contest. Matt can eat 10 jalapenos per minute while Wade can eat only 6 per minute. Matt was late to the contest, however, Wade had already eaten 28 jalapenos when Matt started. Here we go. I'm going to do a Matt. We're going to do an input. We're going to do a process. We're going to do an output. We're also going to do a Wade, input, process, and output. Here we go. Input is number of minutes we're dealing with. Yep, jalapenos per minute. This is y over x. So input is minutes. Output is jalapenos. Okay, 0. He did 10. Is rated, and when they start, it's just 0. Okay, after 1 minute, 10 times 1, 10, 2, 10 times 2, 20, x, 10x. That's how we figure out Matt's output. For Wade, at 0, he actually started at 28 and did 6 times 0, which is 28. 1, 28 he started out. 6 times 1 is 34. 2 is 28 plus 6 times 2, which is 40. X, start with the 28, do 6 each time. Write an expression for Matt. Matt was 10x. Write an expression for Wade. That is 6x plus 28 when your variable comes first. The same, so I have 10x equals 6x plus 8 minus 6x minus 6x. 4x equals 8. Divide by, oh, I messed that up. Forgot a 2. 4x equals 28. X equals 7 because I divide both sides by 4. So after 7 minutes. The reason I caught that is when I had 4x equals 8, that would have been 2, and I knew at 2 that this was 20 and this was 40 and they weren't the same. My brain stopped and was like, hey, that doesn't make sense. Okay, here we go. Reading a graph. Describe the situation that would explain the following graph. You can do anything. Here's an example. Oh, nope. Describe the situation. So we're talking about number of marbles, days of the week. So, this is increasing, and this is decreasing. So, a description is the number of marbles, steadily increases, then steadily decreases. Remember our chart when we have X and Y here, and input and output and domain and range and independent and dependent. Independent is X and dependent is always Y. So dependent variable, all I do is do the Dependent variable, all I do is read the title of my axis, and that is number of marbles. And independent is my X days of week. Which graph best matches the following statement? Your body temperature rises as you exercise. This is decreasing. Can't be rising. This is decreasing. That can't be rising. The only one that rises is that one. That's the end of page 3. We got one more page to go.